This 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 23G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, skylight, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, awning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, DVD player, leveling jacks, microwave, TV, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 23G is 6,897 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.